Tesla is recalling just over 2 million vehicles in the United States. It's to install new safeguards for vehicles carrying its Autopilot advanced driver assistance system. The electric vehicle giant made the move after a safety regulator said the system was open to foreseeable misuse. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, has investigated Tesla for more than 2 years. He wanted to know whether its vehicles adequately ensured drivers pay attention when using the driver assistance system. Tesla said in the recall filing that Autopilot's software system controls may not be sufficient to prevent driver misuse and could increase the risk of a crash. Tesla's Autopilot is intended to enable cars to steer, accelerate and brake automatically within their lane. Enhanced Autopilot can assist in changing lanes on highways but does not make them autonomous. Tesla said it did not agree with the regulator's analysis, but added it would deploy an over-the-air software update. It said this will incorporate additional controls and alerts to those already existing on affected vehicles. The aim is to encourage the driver to stick to their continuous driving responsibility whenever auto steer is engaged. The company did not respond to a question on whether the recall would be performed outside the US. NHTSA opened a probe in 2021 into Autopilot after identifying more than a dozen crashes in which Tesla vehicles hit stationary emergency vehicles. Its investigation into Autopilot will remain open as it monitors Tesla's remedies.